If you claim the 1 month or 1 year free subscription of Google Veo 3, tried it out, and now you've decided that you don't want to continue the subscription, then you must cancel it before the free subscription period ends. If you don't cancel it at the right time, and even if just 1 day or even 1 hour passes beyond the subscription validity, your paid subscription will start and you'll be billed for the monthly plan. So if you don't want that to happen, then cancel it right now so that you don't face any issues later or have to pay any money. Hello friends, how are you all? Friends, if you watch this video of mine or anyone else's and claim the free subscription of Google Veo 3, and now you're wondering, how do I cancel this subscription before the free trial ends? Then friends, don't worry, I'm here. I'll show you the correct way to cancel a subscription, whether it's Google Veo 3 or any other Google service. But before that, friends, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to the channel because I regularly bring great videos related to AI tools on this channel. If you find this video helpful, then like and share it. And friends, now you also need to hype this video, please. Your little support helps my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get to work without any delay. Open your browser and type Veo 3. Click on this link. You can either click Try Google Gemini or Try Flow. Both will work. I'll click on Try Flow. Make sure to log in with the same Gmail ID that you used to claim the subscription. Up at the top right corner, you'll see Pro. Click on that. As you can see, all my AI credits are finished. My free trial is still active. My Pro account will remain active till the 9th of August, but I've already used all my credits. And in 2-4 days, the free trial will also end. So just to be safe, I'm cancelling the subscription 4-5 days in advance, so I don't forget it later. Okay, now click on Manage Membership. On this page, scroll down. Click Cancel Subscription. You can also click Cancel here. This is the easiest method. But there's another method that's also simple, and it allows you to recheck later to confirm whether your subscription is cancelled or not. Open a new tab and type Google Subscription. Click on Google Payment and Subscription to go to that page. Scroll down a bit, and under Subscriptions, you'll see all the subscriptions you've taken. My Google One AI Pro subscription, which includes Veo 3, is currently active. It's showing renews on the 9th of August 2025. Simply click on it. Click again. A new window will pop up. Click on Cancel Subscription. It will ask you, what makes you cancel? Just take any reason. But don't click on Other, otherwise it'll ask you to explain your reason. Click Continue. Then click Cancel Subscription again. You have successfully cancelled subscription will appear. Look, it's now showing cancelled. I've cancelled it today, but my Pro account will remain active till the 9th of August. And I'll be able to use Pro features till then. You can cancel even earlier if you want. It doesn't make any difference. You can use the Pro version until your trial period is over. In a moment, we'll recheck this again. But before that, let's also check how you can change or delete your payment method. If you click Edit Payment Method from here, you'll see all your added payment method options. I made my payment via QR code. Maybe you used a card. It could be anything. Now look, when I try to remove this QR code method, it tells me that I first need to add another payment method before removing this one. If you want to add a card, you can, but most of you probably just want to completely remove it. So one way to do that is just close this window. click on Settings. Under Payment Profile, you'll see your profile ID and all other details. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Under Payment Profile Status, you'll find the option Close Payment Profile. Click on that. Just verify yourself. Before you close your profile, please guys, make sure to read this. If you close this profile, you won't be able to make any purchases from this account with this payment method. You won't be able to pay for any subscription or Google service. You'll have to add everything again from scratch. If you still want to close it, then go ahead and click Close Payment Profile. All QR code and card payment methods linked to this profile will be removed. Now let's recheck once more to make sure our subscription is actually cancelled. See, earlier it used to say renews on the 9th of August. Now it shows cancels on the 9th of August, which means the subscription will automatically end on 9th. All done. If you like the video, then like, share and hype it, friends. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for staying till the end. See you in the next video.